Hello, assalamualaikum, Sahib Shib. Welcome back. This is our laughter assembly. A place where laughter is considered a light worship and random behavior is used as impromptu study material.
Great.
How are you all, Sahib Sapain? I hope you are all well and always healthy. Tipsy is strange, but before this is strange, I really want to ask this. I want to know what's actually strange. If you are a team that says the earth is round, or you hold firmly that the earth is flat, I'll give you 3 seconds for you to comment first. The spoonfuls are 3, 2, 1 already. Good. Apparently there are still people commenting here. If it's strange, it's believing the earth is flat, bang. But if it's strange, it's believing 100% that the earth is round, bang. Which team are you on this bribery? Flat earth or round earth? It's really tiring. From the time of the dinosaurs to the present day until Bahlil became a brother. Brother Bahlil. All the time. W really loves Bahlil, it seems. Likes that. Likes the debate that never ends. Perfect, huh? But after we look at this second Artemis mission, we can be sure that the earth is Espalama. Perfectly Sapsapan. Well, so NASA's Artemis 2 mission, which was launched on April 1, 2026, has successfully landed on Earth on April 10, 2026. So, at that time, the rocket launched on the first return to Earth in the ocean EC. What ocean again, sir? I forgot the name of the Pacific Ocean, if I'm not mistaken, as flat as possible. It has been proven many times that the visual of the Earth from up there is indeed a round shape. So there is no such thing as a flat Earth. There is none. Actually, this Artemis mission has provided the latest visual evidence that refutes the flat Earth theory. For those who hold fast to the flat Earth theory, pay close attention to this. Photos taken directly by the astronaut crew from inside the Orion capsule show that the Earth is perfect blue sphere. Perfect. Actually, it is spherical.
Wait, what?
Round, huh? Round. NASA also emphasized that these photos were taken using a handheld camera, no other camera, just their cell phone camera. And the sensors on the Orion spacecraft solar panels, and witnessed directly by 4 pairs of astronauts. So, the 4 astronauts who went up to the moon were all the same size, and they streamed live and witnessed what they saw as they saw the Earth, the moon, Mars, Uranus, Jupiter, and so on. And but this is also a salute to these 4 astronauts. How dare they have such guts to go up there? And we don't know whether the mission was successful or not. Could it be that this mission has